Hello, my name is Maya Swanis, and in this series of videos we are going to go over the forms of legal citation for the types of primary authority issued by each of the three branches of government. This video will cover case law, which is the type of law created by the courts in the judicial branch. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify a citation to a judicial decision and will know what each of the parts of the citation mean. Note that this citation format is based on Rule 10 of the Blue Book, and you can refer to that rule for more information. Let's jump in. Here is a basic case citation. You'll see that it starts with some names, then has some numbers and letters that follow. The first part of the citation is the case name. It consists of the names of the parties involved with a V between the two, which stands for versus and indicates that the parties are in opposition. Note that while there may be more than two parties, the form of citation just lists the first party on each side. For example, from the caption of this case, you can see et al. After both James Connor and Robert Burford's names, indicating that there were other parties on each side. The citation, however, only includes Connor and Burford. Now, the case name portion of the citation isn't necessarily unique to the decision you want to cite. For example, if you're looking for a case name like Smith versus US in a legal research database, you will get a lot of results. So how do you know which one you're looking for? It is the next part of the citation that is the unique identifier that tells you exactly where to find the decision. Usually, though not always, this set of information will point you to a reporter. Reporters contain full text of published court opinions, and there are both official reporters, which are published under the authority of the courts, and unofficial reporters, and they exist for both state and federal courts. The first number here is the volume number, followed by the abbreviated name of the reporter, and then the page on which the case begins in the volume identified. You will also sometimes see a comma and another number. This is called a pin cite and refers you to a specific page within the decision. This particular abbreviation is to the Federal Reporter Second Series, which is a reporter for published cases from the U.S. Courts of Appeals. There are a bunch of other reporters that include cases based on state, region, and level of court. Cases can sometimes be found in more than one reporter. In Washington State, you can find decisions from the Washington State Supreme Court in both the Washington Reports and Washington Reports Second Series, which are the official reporters for the court, as well as the Pacific Reporter, which is a commercial reporter that includes opinions from a number of states. For more information about reporters, see our legal research guide on the topic. The last part of the citation, which appears in parentheses after the reporter information, tells you the exact court that issued the decision and the year it was issued. Like the case name, this parenthetical information is not unique to the case, but gives you important information so you can figure out if this case is in a jurisdiction or time frame that is relevant or helpful to you. For example, this case came from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals and was issued in 1988. In some instances where the issuing court is obvious from the reporter, the court is not listed in the parentheses, just the year. For example, a citation that includes Wash Second, which is the abbreviation to the Washington Reporter Second Series, would clue you into the fact that this decision is from the Washington State Supreme Court, and thus only the year is included in parentheses. This citation also includes a second set of reporter information, which is known as a parallel citation. It directs you to another set of reporters, in this case the Pacific Reporter Third Series, where you can also read this decision. So that's a case citation. Now when you are reading an opinion in your casebook and see this, you'll be able to easily spot the case citations and know how to find them if you need to. To learn more about citations to other types of primary law, check out our other videos in this series. This has been Maya Swanis for the Gallagher Law Library. Please visit our website to learn more about library services, find research guides, and for much, much more. Thank you!